You go first.
Okay.
Come in here.
Your turn.
Okay.
My turn.
I think it's Bob. Oh, it is Bob. Let me see here. Oh, it's from a snowman. I saw this movie already. This movie. No one.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Let me see that guy. I like this guy. What about you all choose one? This is like his butt.
What?
That is like his butt. So, what guy you want? You want this guy?
I want the sword guy.
I want to say two. Maybe they have another one.
Oh, your turn.
Yeah. We don't.
Oh, treasure.
I love this guy too.
Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What the heck?
Hey.
It opened.
Hey.
Okay, now close it.
Carry ham. Carry ham.
What happened? Okay.
Can't wait. I know it was minions. Not like this. Like this.
What he done?
I didn't done it.
The egg done it.
What the heck? Egg is the knife.
Why not doing it?
Okay, I can try this. Go out.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
you want the Dragula?
Oh, that's the.
Want it? This one is yours, and this one is yours. And I'm gonna have this guy.
Look.
What about you want this guy?
You can have this guy.
Okay, this guy's the same.
Come on. Sing. Sing. Sing.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay. I think I need to do this better. Close it tight.
It's facing the camera.
Oh my god.
Oh.
What guy you want to get? See this guy?
I want the king Bob. Come on,
Why
let's
we have
open. Let's open it.
Okay.
Stop. This one we're gonna
Open it together.
They're the same.
Yeah.
So you have to have it.
What guy you get? Oh, I got this guy again.
There's two of them?
This one is more bigger. And he has something to stand. I think this can be by collection.
Don't open this. This is ammo. We're gonna open it later.
Can you open this for me?
Open this first. Okay. And smash.
You guys just go. Oh, is this guy you like? This guy?
He's the same again. Look, this.
Can you get this out from me?
This out?
Yeah. I'm gonna put this down there.
I hit you. Ow. See? Ow.
Is this guy yours? Do you like this guy?
Do you like this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, I come to. You can have it. Okay. Are you ready to open this bag?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
gotta
go over
open it.
here.
I'm gonna open this side. Okay. Now let's see.
What? Bob again? Oh, this is the Bob when he do like this in the road and then the car goes like this is and that's the Bob. Look, the same Bob. What? Does he have not the same thing? Why did he Dragler? You're
I can open it.
Hitting boy. He can hit people.
Bunny, give me that guy. Give me that.
I can have a stander. Okay. What am I standing? Hidden Bob. Hit
Stop, pop back out. No, Bob. Bob. Bob.
Bob is
No, ching. Hey, what's up? Okay. What? You know, I saw the big guy in the toy. He go like this. His arm go up and down, and then he roll up.
Look.
Bob, what the? Yeah. Bob, yup, what's that? No. Yeah. Oh, let's pretend he might off this guy in the snow. Can we pretend all of this guy's in the snow?
Yeah.
Look. Bob. Yeah, friend. The minion don't hit any friends. Bob. Yes. What you said? Yes.
Yes.
Why say yes?
Okay.
Okay. What? Okay. I hit him.
Sing.
I know my dragon hat. Come back here. You do me.
Stoots. He's like, oh, I'm hitting.
And look at this, Vadim. Look, Vadim. Watch this. Look, he got a change into Dragula in his room. Like this, look what him. Like this. And then can you bring off this guy to look him change, and this guy too. Stand
all of them?
Yeah, stand them all up.
Don't do it yet.
Yeah. And stay here.
But Bob, you know what he's gonna do?
Look, okay, look what I gotta put him like this. Okay, no, what can I put him?
He's like, no.
Okay, what him? Okay, look.
He's like, what?
Okay, wait.
The camera can't see us.
Okay, look at him. Okay, like
The camera
this.
can't see us.
Okay, here's it. See that? They see it. Oh, see this? Like this. Okay. Oh, da. I'm changing. Da. Okay. Now, okay. Let me do something cool for you to look, guys. Okay. I'm gonna put that here. And then
Bob. Stop, Bob. Look.
why you say stop? Bob? Oh, you said that. Stupid Bob. Okay. What is the big idea? Captain? What is the big idea? I'm the captain, okay? What is the big idea? Be good and not hurt your friend, okay? Okay, stupid guy? Okay, everybody, listen. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Everybody's scared.
What are you doing, guys? making Bob. You're not making Bob. You're gonna make a cool stuff and you'll never make it. I'm sorry.
Pooping in the snow.
Hey. Hey.
What are you doing? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah.
Look what they all doing. Can you hold it like this? Look what they. No. Look. Can you hold it like that?
Like that? Okay.
Yeah. So it will not go anywhere. Yeah. So I'm gonna put that guy inside. Yeah. Okay. Stop. Oh. Now we have to do it again.
Not again. Look, this one piece.
Okay.
Let
One.
me put this guy too. Oh, this guy doesn't stand.
Here. Here, Vadim, look. We need this.
Yes. He like, he's a cat.
No,
Look how big. Oh, look how big is he?
No.
See?
Look, see this? He have two captains. They have two. Like that. They have two.
1, 2.
Yeah, that's mean him the captain. He can lie down, he can do anything. He can lie down and do something like that. That's what he can do. Okay, do it like this again. Oops.
That's the captain too.
No, yeah. It's a helper from this pirate. Okay.
Oh, that guy doesn't stand.
It's so stupid, right? Oh, I can't say that. Oh. You know what is this minion do? Like you can pretend like this. Like he look at a fire and he want to put it in his butt like this. Yeah. Hot butt. It's really funny about that.
And it's very cool.
And then like a captain, like, oh, this is my toilet. Hot butt. Look at me, hot butt. We can do it again.
Oh, it takes time a lot.
Did not take time.
It's something very cool about this. Look, I need a big Bob. Where's the big Bob? Oh, here's the big Bob. Look, the big Bob, something very cool. I put this guy and
Now you have to do it again by yourself.
Not by yourself because you help me. Help me. Help me. There are 2 boys opening toys. Help me. Because I helped you last time, so help me. The captain. Where's the captain? The captain. Because Bob and the captain are the strongest. And he's stronger, but they're stronger. Hey, Bob, let's do a fight today. Okay. Look, it's very cool. Like,
He gonna, you know who gonna fight? He gonna fight this small guy. Yeah, shing. Oh, shing. Ow.
it's something very cool. Look.
Yeah. Shing. What? Oh, can you do this for me? Can you put this up? I gotta do something really cool. Look at this.
Then you pick everything up for me then.
Okay, look at this. Hey. No, not like that.
Bob, you need this. Bob, you need this. You need this. Like, whoa, I float away.
Now you have to do this for me.
And keep floating away.
Now you have to, now you have to do that. Like that is very funny. And you know what? We can. And you know. Now, what do now you have to do this for me?
What the heck is this?
What is stop? Look at this. Aya! Okay.
Now
Right
you
there.
set it up for me, please.
Okay. Now you minion set it up for me. He's the same, right? Look. Oh no! He burned his hair. Look, see this guy? See this guy, Vadim? Look, he have a hair. He have a hair like this.
And it's burned.
Yeah, and he's like, what the heck? My hair burned.
Yeah, he's like, oh, I'm a baby. I miss my hair.
Like this.
Like that.
I miss my hair.
Can I put everybody here already? Because
Look. I miss my hair. I miss my hair. I miss my hair too. What the heck? Why you are me? No, you are me. No, I are you. No, you are me. No, I are you. No, you are me. No, I are you. No, you me. No, I you. No, you are me.
stop. Put everybody here. Put everybody here. Put everybody here.
Yeah, you look the same. No, I'm not.
Put everybody back, please, because I want to show the
Look what it is. My feet, your feet is the same. And
he punched him on time.
And
Good boy.
he is the same, and he is the same.
Good girl. Good girl. Good boy. Good Peter.
And then your mouth is big, same as me. Okay.
Oh, Louie. Okay, yes.
I want this guy.
Then I'll have Bob.
No, look.
On Bob. What do you choose? Him, the cat.
Look at this. You can bend him. Yeah. Look at this. Look at me. Yeah. Okay. You like him like that?
Yeah, I love
And
the cat. I know you want.